Hey everyone, this is Alicia and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do the Harry Potter and Ulta Beauty Ravenclaw Cosmetic Kit review. The kit retails for $28 and is available on the Ulta Beauty website as well as in Ulta Beauty stores. The kit features 4 items which include a 6-pan eyeshadow palette, a tinted lip balm, highlighter beads, and a metallic gel liner that are extremely travel friendly because of their size. I'm also including a quick clip so that you can see this kit in comparison to the size of a standard Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette. So if you would like to see a review of everything this kit has to offer, just keep on watching. I'm going to swatch all of the items in this kit, starting with the eyeshadow palette, then the lip balm, then the eyeliner, and last the highlighter beads. For the eyeshadow palette, I'm using my e.l.f. contour brush to do the swatches, and I did not apply a base or a primer beforehand. I'm starting with the first row going left to right. Spellbook is a cool tone nude matte. Time Turner is a muted rose gold metallic. Cornish Pixies is a powder blue matte. Patronus is an icy blue shimmer. Nuts is an icy muted lilac shimmer, and Black Lake is a muted black and blue shimmer. The tinted lip balm is a pinky mauve. The eyeliner is a deep navy blue metallic. I'm using my BH No. 5 pointed highlighter brush, and the highlighter is an icy blue. Now I'm going to give you my thoughts on everything in the kit. All the shades in the eyeshadow palette had good pigmentation and only slight fallout. This palette had the most amount of shimmers compared to the other boxes, and upsettingly so. The first time around, I expressed how Ravenclaw needed deep navy blue mattes, and Ulta missed another opportunity to do so. This palette would have also fared well with a charcoal colored matte. I love how creamy, non-sticky, and opaque the lip balm is, and the formula is just so damn good. The blue metallic eyeliner is stunning. I love the slight blue reflex, and it transferred very slightly even after drying down. This one wasn't as opaque as the others, but it's still a beauty. The highlighter is a pretty icy blue, and if you're adventurous enough, I think just about anyone could pull it off. I really wish that Ulta would have put the house colors on each individual item and not just the eyeshadow palette, because it's kind of difficult to know which item belongs to which set. I'm not as impressed with the eyeshadow palette as I was with the other collections, but because of the other items that come in this kit, I still feel like it is well worth the money. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notifications, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye.